Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. I hope you all had a fantastic holiday season. First and foremost, Happy New Year. We have officially made it to January 2026. I want to wish every single one of you a year full of success, happiness, and of course, better technology. It is the perfect time to clean up your digital life, so I've been digging through the repositories to find the top 3 open source apps you need this month. We are focusing on tools that are clean, private, and actually useful. So without keeping you waiting any longer, let's jump straight into the first app. First up, we have QR Share. If you find yourself needing to beam links or text to devices near you, this is the best lightweight tool to do it. It integrates directly into your share sheet, so you can share a link or text and instantly generate a code. Let me show you how this works with my own website. I'm typing in techynoob18.github.io right here. Watch the screen closely. You can see that as I modify the text, the QR code updates in real time. It is incredibly responsive. You can also tap and hold the picture to copy it to your clipboard. They've recently updated the UI so the corners are consistent with the text box radius. A quick note, they did enable file sharing, but due to encoding limits, it only works for files smaller than 1 kilobyte, so stick to text and links for the best experience. Next on the list is NextDNS Manager. If you use NextDNS to block ads and trackers on your home network, you know the browser interface can be clunky on mobile. This app solves that completely. It's a native Android client, compatible with Android 12L and up. It simplifies managing your configuration, letting you toggle filtering modes, block lists, and whitelists without opening a browser. The interface is beautiful with dark mode and dynamic icons, but it is also powerful. You get real-time statistics on your DNS queries and blocked requests as they happen. It even features a biometric Adblock to keep your settings secure. It's a community open source project, not official, but honestly, it functions better than most official apps I've used. Finally, we have an app that changes how you discover software, the GitHub Store. Think of this as the Play Store, but for GitHub releases. Usually, finding an APK involves digging through repositories, but this app automates that. It features a smart discovery section and is platform-aware, meaning it only shows apps compatible with your specific device. It lets you install the latest binaries with one click and even log in with your GitHub account for better access. Built with Material 3 design, it's a must-have for sideloading. That wraps up our first list of 2026. I've left links to all the repositories in the description below. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more content coming this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.